So I ended up at the west parking lot at White Ranch. Even though I was going to go to North Table Mountain, I figured the extra 21 minutes would be worth it, and I'm positive I was correct. So here we are, June, what is today? 7th, 8th, 9th. I think it's June 10th. Oh. But yeah, and so Lord, guide me on my trails. I just need to go do a loop around this mountain, 4 miles, and be happy. It is 9:53 right now, so let's hit it. Let's get a look at the where I'm going to pick up the trail, right? I think right there. Panel sign. Like right around in there. So yeah, there it is. Boop. And it's going to be beautiful. As usual. Good day. Yeah, that was nice. Just getting started. I hadn't planned on this, but it's just happened, and man, is it ever nice. Super nice. Denver down there. So, yeah, I got my website up. Starting to do some more drawings, some more videos. Better motivated than I've ever been in the past. More smooth. More focused. Yeah, it's good. Anyway, this is a good day. Oh yeah, this is a good day. Happy. So I came from that way on the Sawmill, and I do remember cutting through on this Belcher Trail, but I think today I'm going to stay on the Sawmill, which is that way. I just want to read what that says. It says, oh, that's the Belcher. Wow, interesting. I gotta try that someday, but I don't know why I don't feel like it today. This is kind of technically the first hike I've done in like a month and a half, so I just want to kind of make sure I'm acclimated before I start doing some excursions, some exploration. But so far, so good. Got a nice little cloud going on. Little cloud cover here. Super nice. It's only gonna last a few seconds. I don't have sunscreen, I don't have my hiking poles, and I don't have water, so all I got's a hat. It's not even a very good one for this, so yeah. Just stopping at the campsite down there, but there's a wonderful aroma of interesting kind of a, I wouldn't say a lavender, it's like what is that? Oh, it smells wonderful. It smells interesting. A very interesting smell. Good smell. Anyway. This part I like because you get these chunky rocks here, and the trail goes up and down, and then I think it goes up over that ridge, and I might be taking the Belcher back down to that one intersection, or going over and down to the road and back. I gotta check my stats. I forgot to set a clock, and I forgot to take some photos. Really out of practice, but we'll get back there. I got other things going on. I got a lot in the pot right now. That is a beautiful dead tree. Lots of Caractor. I love it. And whence I came, and what we do, I go like this, and go, and thence I go. Whence and thence. Thence I came, whence I go. I don't know. Do you say whence or do you say thence? I'm kind of on the fence. I know it's kind of pretense, but that's what we do when we can't think of anything. You just gotta get this orange. Wow. It's really standing out there. Very nice. It's kind of fuzzy. Once I came, thence I go. So there's some other hikers. I just thought I'd take a break and let them go ahead. But yeah, what a place to take a break at, huh? What a day. I love it. So I'm just back about to Mustang Trail again. And then I guess it's a little loop that just breaks off and goes down over there and meets up with this trail again. So I'm gonna go to the top of this and then I'll decide if I want to go down to the street or back on Belcher. This is a weird group of people over there talking about whether the trees are going to speak to them or not. I just need to get past them, take up the Belcher Trail. So I got to hook on this little piece of Mustang and then take the Belcher Trail back to the intersection at the Sawmill and then cut back across that meadow that I entered in. And we will be done. I don't even know how long I've been out here, but let me go check something. Yeah, the view up here is huge. One of my favorites. And those clouds, man. Spectacular. Oh, what a great day. Something up there in the distance. That green valley is so nice. I wonder where that's at. Oh. Cool. So that Belcher Trail continues on that way. That's where I went originally. That's where I just came from, and that's where I originally came from. And that's where I'm going now. gentle downhill. You can see, I think that's the Table Mountain I was going to go to, but decided not to. Come up here instead, and I was 100% right to do this, so. Wow. That's the end of the trail. So, all done. Beautiful day.